Hi, how to select or eliminate emails without um, or contacts without emails actually. So first thing, we go to the list right here, or when we do a find, we can go to the full list, or we can go even here and list contacts. So again, many ways to skin a cat. So we're gonna click list contacts here, and we have full. That's what we want. In this case, I have selected 100 out of 100, but I'm in position 5, which is meaningless for our test, but you can check that there are 5 that I deleted the emails. So the way to do it, there are actually a few ways, but this is the easiest. Here, where you see this queue, you can find and omit duplicates based on, all this is based on empty emails. So you can select, for example, empty emails. Let's say that you want to delete those emails, or I mean delete those contacts, sorry, or whatever. Or maybe you want to call them and ask for the emails. You will click select, and then you will select them. The scope is always what you have in the total. So for example, if I have let's say 3, and I click again and do selected, well, it's gonna be just 3. So if you want to select all the ones that you may have in your database completely, you can click all, have them all, and then click to do a selection. Okay, and select them, and then from here you can do whatever, delete them, or maybe create a group to call them one by one, etc., etc. Also, it's possible to find duplicates, find and omit duplicates. So that is very useful when you are creating. You can show the dupes. I don't think I have any dupes here, but I can check. So you can omit the dupes. So this is very useful when you're trying to send an autoresponder, assign an autoresponder, and you don't want to send the same autoresponder twice because for some reason you have a contact duplicated somewhere. So you can show all, or omit the dupes, or show the dupes. So I'm gonna show the dupes, even though normally I would like to omit the dupes, but I'm gonna show the dupes because I think it's 0. Well, the duplicates are dupes in the sense of being empty. So those are dupes. Dupes. Notice that here we only have 4 because 1 is considered the main one, and the rest are dupes. So that's why omitting the dupes is always what is in order pretty much. And so you can find or omit the dupes, and of course you can always sort, or you can omit directly. So if I have like this, and you click and omit, that's that. They are omitted, and you can see here at the top that we have 95 out of 100. So we have omitted automatically those 5. So that is all, and it's very easy. As you can see, this is the queue column here, and this number actually tells you how many emails inside the field, because as you know, you can have more than one. So you can sort based on this number. So sometimes it's useful to know that you have none, you have 1, you have 2, or whatever, so you can sort also. Thanks.